Guys, we are going to start working on our project. So just like we did with the Photoshop, it's the same thing we are going to do to make sure that our work is uniform. So this, we are going to work with three elements: text, color, and what, and shapes. That's what we are going to do right now. So first thing we are going to do is to specify our layout size. So you see these three dots. I didn't tell you about that earlier, but you see these three dots. Tap on it. You are going to see these functions. Use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image size, tutorials, recover auto shapes, open PLP, that's pixel lab file. So we are going to change the image size, but before we do that, let's go back a little. We want to change something, so tap here at the bottom close to A, tap on that. We are going to change the interface to a blank. Yeah, to blank. We need it blank. So yeah, we have this blank. So the next thing we are going to do is to add a color to it, right? So what I do is I just add a shape. That's all. I just add a shape. So change the color to red. So choose the red color. Extend it. To extend it, we can do it over here. We can extend it over here, right? Change the size over here. Resize it over here, right? Just like over here. Good. Okay, can resize it like this. So we are done resizing it. So this is what we have. So now the next thing, I think we have to lock this background. Always lock your background to prevent it from moving around. So to lock the background, tap on the layer button and then lock it down here. It's been locked down. So after that, we move to the next step. That's adding the text, right? We are going to add the text. So what you do is over here, the A button, press on it and then add text, right? So we change the position, the relative position. Not really, we can change the position to the middle, to the center, right? The center is what we need. That's the center. This way you change the position of your text. We change it to the center. We want it to be at the center, right? So yeah, it's at the center right now. So the next thing is to change the style of our text, right? Change the style. It's easy. You can change the style here. We can increase the size before we go to the style. Okay, have it like this. So we have this, the color to black. We want it pure black, right? So you can edit it, just edit it immediately. Contrast, we have contrast. Yeah, then tap on OK. In case you want to change the text, we have it like this. It's okay. Contrast, no, want it all in caps. Contrast like this. That's how I like it. So then we can now do the font size. Already done. You can add some thickness to it. You can add some thickness to it. I always like mine like this, so it's easier to work like this, probably because I'm used to Photoshop. So I will turn it around. I think I'm struggling. I'll turn it around and work with it. So we have this contrast. Change this to bold. Change it to bold. Yeah, you are going to see the same buttons there. So we are changing it to bold, and also I think that's it. So the next thing is to lock it down immediately. Lock it down. If you don't want to apply any unnecessary changes or necessary changes to it, lock it down immediately. So it's been locked down. So the next thing is we are going to add another shape. That's a rectangle, right? So you go to add shapes. You go to shapes. You can do it here. Just tap here. Not here. Where is it? Tap here. Add shape. The plus sign. Go to add shapes. You can add your shape here. You can change the size. All right. Then you can decide on the color. I decide on black. So I have black. So the next thing is we are going to add triangle, right? A triangle. Color. The color is red. The text is also there, contrast, and we have the text is contrast, and then we have remember, always lock down your image when you can. You see, this is the effect of not locking your image. I have this issue, so always lock it when you can. All right, have this. So you can change the position of this to the middle, right? Like this. Just need to, okay. I think there's an issue with this one. It's not on the middle, so we have to change the position of this one to the middle. That's of the text to the middle, right? To the middle. This two to the middle. To the middle, exactly. We have this, so we can lock it. Just lock them immediately. Always lock your work. So we have this. So the next thing is adding the triangle to the top. That's our assignment. Change the shape here to triangle at the top. Reduce the size. Change the color to black again. Then move it to the middle. Exactly like this. Exactly, yeah, that's it. Lock it. So this is going to be our assignment. So after you are done, the next thing you are going to do is to export it. So you head to the side, the right hand corner. You're going to see export image. Tap on export image format. You're going to change PNG, no transparency. We have quality, default, dimension. You can change it to PNG, right? Or no transparency. That's okay if you like it like that. So just save to gallery. It's been saved. So you can also save this work as PLP, that's Pixel Lab file. So you just have to save it here, save as a project here. First project. We are done. So that's it for the project one with Pixel Lab. Oh, what's happening? Okay, we are done. It's been saved. We can have access to this anytime we want, but we have also saved it as an image as well. So that's it for the assignment, and I hope you can do this. If you have any challenges, let me know. I'll give you other videos on YouTube that explains these things for you to watch and apply. Always refer to YouTube if you have any issues. Yeah, always refer to YouTube. I wouldn't restrict you to this content, like to this video. Always refer to YouTube, because there are other things I might not teach you that others will also share with you. It's just to make you proficient in using this application. So always refer to anywhere you can get the knowledge to just be ahead. I getting it? So don't be restricted to this content only. Be versatile and learn widely from any platform you can. So this is our assignment, which has been done, and I know some of you have done it already, but those who haven't done it, this is your opportunity to also follow along and also submit your assignment. Submission is for accountability, just for yourself, not for me or anyone, just for yourself. So keep up with the class, and you are welcome. All right, we'll be jumping on other stuff very soon, so stay tuned. In case you're advanced,